Hello friends, come and sit in stillness and enjoy the bird lakes. Sometimes in life it's important to leave the craziness behind and just breathe and relax. To be outside, to be at one with nature. Relax and breathe. If you're enjoying my videos, please, it helps to grow the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and wiggle the bell. Smash the subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, friends. I really appreciate your company. Remember, hit the like button, smash the subscribe, wiggle the bell, and I'd love to be able to send you more Spanish adventures and recipes and days out and nights at the fiesta, all from beautiful Spain. Venga, hasta luego, nos vemos, adios.